Welcome to Credit Unit 3, Module 3. In this module, we'll be talking about operations management. Operations management is the process of turning available resources into finished products. Operations managers are involved in production planning to determine how the production process should be set up, production control to ensure that production is running smoothly and efficiently once it's underway, and quality control to make sure that the goods being produced meet the required specifications and quality standards. The first step is planning. In this phase, you'll need to figure out how goods will be produced, where your facilities will be located, and how those facilities will be set up. When deciding on a facility layout, there are 4 major types to keep in mind. A process layout is where goods proceed from one department to the next, each performing a specific step in the production process along the way. A product layout is where there is a series of workstations along an assembly line which assemble pre-made parts. A cellular layout is where small teams work as self-contained units to build products or component pieces. And a fixed position layout is often used when products are too big to move around. In this layout, the product stays in one place and equipment and workers go to it. Once the facility is up and running, the operations manager will oversee the production process. In particular, they will be concerned with materials management, which involves purchasing, inventory management, and work scheduling. There are any number of ways to help organize and streamline these processes, and we'll be taking a look at 2 common types of charts that can help you visualize workflows: Gantt charts and PERT charts. Gantt charts basically list all the steps that must be completed and draw a timeline for each, so it's easy to see how each timeline relates to the others. PERT charts, on the other hand, are flow charts that show the path of the production process start to finish, with branching and converging paths for steps that can be completed concurrently. Then we'll look at how technology is continually improving production and take a quick look at computer-aided design, which helps design products, computer-aided manufacturing, which helps build products, computer-integrated manufacturing, which helps streamline logistics, and flexible manufacturing systems, which increase the range of products that can be produced. We'll also be looking at the service industry. We'll take a look at how service operations are similar to manufacturing operations in many regards, like choosing the right location, assessing demand for their services, and determining the best ways to provide it. We'll also look at some things that make them different, like planning for the right amount of capacity for customers, and their more complex needs in employee scheduling. Finally, we'll look at quality management. To have a good total quality management program in place, companies should generally focus on customer satisfaction, employee involvement, and continuous improvement. This means letting the customers decide what product features are most important, making sure every employee is trained and encouraged to keep an eye out for potential quality problems, and to always be looking for new ways to improve production. Oftentimes, companies choose to outsource the manufacturing of the components of their products. This approach can allow a company to take advantage of the expertise and manufacturing efficiencies of already established facilities, leading to lowered costs while retaining high-quality standards. Operations management is essential in driving efficiency and quality. There's a lot to consider, so let's move on to the reading and take a closer look.
Created using Powtoon.